While everyone sees your smile, our next guest got tired looking at pictures of herself and seeing what she didn't like about her teeth. So Angela Williams decided to do something about it. And with the help of dentist Steve Marsh, she did. And now Angela thinks her smile is picture perfect. Thanks for joining us today.
It's our pleasure.
Appreciate it. So Angela, I'm going to go with this picture perfect theme. What did focus your attention on your smile, and what didn't you like about it?
My smile to me was sort of okay, but there was a little space in between a couple of side teeth next to my front teeth.
Okay.
And it seems to me over the years it was getting a little wider. And I kind of wanted that closed in. Also, I'd had, my teeth were chipped, and I had the bonding, and then I also had like a little filling close to the gum line that didn't really match.
You could see the problems when you saw pictures of yourself?
I could see it, but everyone else kept saying, oh, your smile is beautiful, but I personally wasn't satisfied.
And so that took you to Steve?
Yes, after I watched him on your show.
Oh, that's good. Watch him on the show. Watch the show. All right. So, Steve, tell us about what happened.
Well, first of all, one thing I'll tell you about Angela is she took very good care of her teeth, so we had a good place to start. And in our age bracket, sometimes people will want to do braces and that sort of thing in addition to veneers. In this case, we were able to do it without the braces, so she didn't have that 1.5 or 2 years of extra cost and time. The other thing is that sometimes people will align their teeth with braces, but they still don't look good. They still have the fillings they don't like. They still have the chipping. So we were able to do this in a limited amount of time, and we also said we could stage it. And that's one of the things we're doing a lot more of, working on different areas of the mouth. This is a picture of Angela's teeth, the before and after, and if you look very closely, this is obviously looking up at the arch. And you can see there's spaces between the teeth, and there was some unevenness. She mentioned some of these dark fillings, and we were able to put, in this case, when we first started, I think I'm right, Angela,
yes,
the first 6 veneers, and then she had some old crown work that as we move forward in the next year or so, we'll also work on those. But we were able to even out her smile and give her a much better look.
Now we were looking at the top teeth,
yeah,
but you also had some problems or concerns with your lower teeth, is that right?
I always wanted my lower teeth, I wanted my teeth whitened, but with previous dentistry, it was, every time I mentioned it, they would say, oh, it's kind of expensive, and I didn't really pursue it. But working with Dr. Marsh, they, showed me how. Yeah, they showed me how.
All right. So tell us, how long does all this take?
Well, in her case, it took from beginning to end, at least that front 6 teeth. We were able to do it in 2 appointments over about 3 weeks. She mentioned the whitening. We were able to use this whitening tray and some whitening gel, and that was something that she could do to give her a beautiful smile and brighten them, as she suggested, without going into veneers. So it was a way that, again, we can stage things. We're focusing on the upper arch first. Once we get a beautiful upper arch, then we can also look at doing the lower arch, possibly with veneers.
And we have a couple more pictures, I think.
Yeah, we do. She had mentioned that space, Angela. That's
yes,
what you were talking about. On her left, the viewer's right. You can see that space as that tooth started to drift, and as we get older, Armin, those are maturing. Excuse me. That's one of the things that happens.
Be careful.
She also mentioned the color, and so again, without braces, we reshaped the teeth. We used porcelain veneers and gave her that beautiful smile. And again, on the lower, for now, we reshaped it. We did some whitening and got a beautiful result. I do want to say one other thing, and this is important, and I'll just take a minute because I know we're on time. Angela is a person who's watched Golden Opportunities, and we're here in the holiday season, so I'm going to say thank you on behalf of Angela to all the viewers and people in the audience, because she used, I think, your office as attorneys. She's used me as a dentist. She's used Gateway. She's used a number of people, and there is no other show in this area that gives people, the senior citizens, the information that you've done. So, on behalf
sucking
of,
up to me will not get you any extra time,
not sucking,
Dr. Marsh.
But between you and your producer Gene and your wife, I'm going to say in Channel 3, you've really done a wonderful job for this community, because there is no other group that offers it, and that's what brought her to us. But also to your office. But it's really been a service to all of us. So thank you on behalf of all of us.
And your smile is beautiful.
Thank you.
With her new smile, Angela's ready for her close-up now. My thanks to Angela and Steve for joining us today.
See what Dr. Stephen Marsh can do for your smile by calling 440-461-1003 or visit www.clevelandsmiles.com. Next, help for raising your children's children.